I have been looking in the internet for quite some time on an unboxing or an overview of the Desview T3S Teleprompter. Okay, I've gone back. I've seen years. 1 year ago on the 3T, there's a lot of 3Ts, but there's not the 3TS. Okay, and so I got one, and I'm going to tell you the reason I got one, and I'm going to open it up and tell you the reason right after this. This is the T3S Teleprompter smartphone tablet DSLR teleprompter. It's not that I need a teleprompter, it's that I need more of a confident monitor. And so I'm going to use this more of a confident monitor, and I'm going to do another video on how I set that up, because there's two ways to do this. But I still wanted to do this unboxing and kind of show you what this is about. The 3TS, what's the difference between the 3TS and the 3T? I don't have any of them. This is my first one, but I know what the difference is, and I bought this one specifically for that. It says this is from Desview. It has a whole bunch of instructions here of how to put it together. It's for DSLR, smartphone, tablet, Android, lens adapter, Bluetooth controller, whatever. Let's just open it up. We got the user's guide, and it's really, that's it. Fine, thank you. Let's put this to the side. We'll take everything out, and then I'll tell you what this is all about. Okay. All right. And here's the reason, kind of why this is a 3TS. Before, the DS kind of locks in on the lens of the camera. It just lingers, it just hangs on that. The S part is that this has a bracket that goes on your tripod, and it holds not only the Desview teleprompter, but it holds your camera as well. And so that is what we're going to find out here, what's going on here. This has, let's see what else we got here. The camera, so this goes, you take this out, you slide the camera one in, because that's what we're going to be using, and you saw that it snapped right in there, and so we're going to be using it like this. All right, so we're going to be using it like this. We're not going to let it hang on the lens of the camera, and hence the reason we have, this is for an iPhone holder, and this is for the tablet holder. I believe we'll get into it. Okay. And we'll get some knobs. All right, we'll show you how that works. If I'm using a camera, a smartphone, then I got these little styrofoams that hook up here, so to speak. And then, but I am not going to be using any of these, so we're going to, maybe down, I'm not going to say I'm never, but maybe down the road, we're going to do that. And then we're paper, and then here is where we have the, it says pull, so we're going to pull, and then there is your glass, so to speak. on that. So we're going to cover it because we don't want no smudges. I like that actually. It's a nice plastic. All right, so we're going to start with the tripod. All right, we're going to try to level it out. And then we're going to get this one here. And we're going to put it on the tripod. Okay, good. Good. All right. We're going to lay this to the side a little bit because we're going to put this, this is the holder of the tablet or whatever, and that goes right in here. And as you can see, this has a little thing here to loosen this up. So we're going to loosen this up. We're going to loosen this one up. All right, and then we're going to bring that right in here. And then we're going to, this is almost like putting on a puzzle, so to speak, because everything has to fit accordingly. And everything has to fit perfect. Okay, and this little thing has this little lip here that we kind of bring it, and then this brings down, and then we tighten this one up. That comes down. All right, good deal. So now you have the thing that kind of loosens it up. Then this one here loosens, so if you need to go to a wider iPad or whatever, then you got that, see? All right, so we're gonna tighten that up. We have that done, okay? Now we're going to, this one goes right here on this one. Okay. Okay, and this slides back and forth, you know, however you want it. All right. So far we have our camera. All right. Now we're going to hook these things. Okay, so we're going to bring this one in here. And then this one, we're going to, this has this little cap unscrews. We'll need that for later, and then we're going to bring that one in here. All right, and then we tighten it up with the little cap that was there before, and then that'll also slide back and forth. All right, and then that'll fit like that. Then we come to this one. Okay, we're going to slide this back here a minute. And this one, we're gonna tighten it up to the second one, okay? And that also lets you bring your camera up and down just to kind of fit it the way it should fit on that. So we're gonna put it here, okay? Then we're almost done. Actually, we are done. So this is it right here. And then we're gonna put our camera, all right? And then we're going to move this. I'm going to put this right here like this for now. So we can open this up. All right, there you go. All right, good. That tightens up. That closes up, and we got us a teleprompter. Okay, this is your teleprompter. We can pull this up, and I can see the thing, and this is kind of made for wide angle, so to speak. This is made for wide angle. So that, because my camera has a wide angle, then here's your iPad on here. So I'm going to put the iPad mini here, and there it is. and it fits perfect. Okay. Perfect iPad mini. It works great. This is exactly what I'm looking for right here as a thing. Let me cover this up. I like this cover because I think it'll really do the job of covering it up and all that. So, okay, so I wanted to show you what the confidence monitor looks like on my setup. All right, so as you can see here is my confidence monitor. I have my, I'm going to stand up here a minute. I have my Sony ZEV-10 hooked up to the Desview T3S. I took my case out so you could see. I have hooked up my iPad mini, and I have a piece of software that it's called Duet, and that software mirrors my program that I have here, and it moves it into my iPad mini, which then projects it in. As I am working and going through my software, you know, let's just say I'm going through this presentation here, that I turn around and I click and I go, I don't have to look at this and lose eye contact of my people because I can see it straight through my confidence monitor. And so that is the whole purpose of that, to give me that eye level, that I can maintain eye level for my customers or my audience as they're watching me. I don't have to look down or anything. And if I'm in a Zoom meeting, I don't have to look over there and lose eye contact from the thing. So that is it. That is the Desview T3S. And I like it. I think it'll do great for me, and thank you very much. I appreciate it. Anyway, give me some thumbs up, subscribe. So I'll see you around on the next video where I will take it to the next level.